2001, as a new century dawned, a vision took shape. A council of elite government officials, senior armed officers, and renowned educationists saw what others did not. A mission to forge the future leaders of Pakistan. Cadet College Fateh Jung was not just built, it was founded with purpose and resolve to prepare Pakistan's youth for the challenges ahead. Fifth generation warfare, economic turmoil, and the erosion of Islamic values. They established Cadet College Fateh Jung, a residential institution built on excellence, discipline, and leadership, shaping cadets into the leaders of tomorrow. This is not just a college. This is the future of Pakistan.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Fajr prayer. Cadets begin their day with the Fajr prayers at the serene Jami Masjid Khairul Basha, followed by Holy Quran recitation and 5 daily prayers, fostering spiritual reflection. Sunrise and welcome to Cadet College Fateh Jung. Cadet College, a premier institution dedicated to empowering young minds and shaping future leaders, a hub of learning, growth, and transformation. PT and morning assembly. Every morning, cadets showcase discipline, pride, and teamwork on the parade grounds, marching towards excellence with unity and strength. Classrooms. Our classrooms are the foundation of academic excellence, where minds are shaped and future are forged with knowledge and skill. Computer labs. Our state-of-the-art computer labs empower the next generation of tech leaders, offering a space to explore and innovate in the digital world. Library. The Allama Iqbal Library is a treasure trove of wisdom where minds expand and imagination grows. It's a quiet space where future leaders are forged, armed with knowledge and insight. Cadet Mess. Our cadet mess is more than just a place to eat. It's a home away from home. Here, bonds are forged and memories made over wholesome meals. Canteen time is a refreshing oasis where friendships are strengthened and memories are created. ISSB training. ISSB training is a rigorous challenge, pushing cadets to their limits, both mentally and physically. With expert guidance, they emerge as capable officers, prepared to lead and excel under pressure. Sports. Sports are an integral part of our curriculum, with cadets participating in football, basketball, cricket, squash, swimming, and more. Programs in gymnastic, judo, and karate strengthen discipline and physical agility. Fitness gym. Our fitness gym forges champions, empowering senior cadets to excel through rigorous training, building strength, resilience, and a culture of excellence. Study activities. Our diverse academic and co-curricular activities form the Aero Modeling Club to national declamation contests, inspire excellence, while rigorous prep time ensures academic success and discipline. Co-curricular activities. Cadet engage in trips, cultural events, floodlight sports, and live match screening, while also contributing through community service like tree plantations. Interaction with armed forces. Visits to the armed forces academies and training wings expand cadets' horizons, offering hands-on training and real-world applications that prepare them for a life of service with honor. Parents' Day at Cadet College honors the vital role of parents in our cadets' success. with senior officials or military officers attending as chief guests. Last year, Governor Punjab Sardar Salim Haider Khan graced the event as chief guest, and CCFJ was featured on major media channels, showcasing its excellence.
ये भी बड़ी खुशी और एजाज की बात है कि पूरे पंजाब में या पूरे पाकिस्तान में जो क्रेडिट कॉलेजेस हैं उनमें से आपका रिजल्ट जो है वो बड़ा आउटस्टैंडिंग और बहुत बेहतरीन। हसन अब्दाल क्रेडिट कॉलेज में भी मैं गया क्योंकि उसमें और इसमें कोई ज्यादा फर्क मुझे नजर नहीं आया।
I would like to thank all the parents for their trust and support. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to the above, college calendar contains number of co-curricular and extracurricular activities which are essential for the grooming of the cadets. Every cadet is provided with the equal opportunity to participate in any event out of more than 20 events.
Top students, proud alumni of Cadet College Fateh Jung, the Fatihin family, continue to progress through leaps and bounds, holding key positions not only in the military but also in the judiciary, civil services, medicine, engineering, and beyond. Our shining stars with outstanding results. High achievers' result pictures capture moments of pride and hard work. A testament to the dedication of our faculty, the trust of our parents, and the relentless passion of our students. As we look to the future, the legacy of Cadet College Fateh Jung continues to inspire and guide the young minds who will one day lead this nation with unwavering commitment to excellence, discipline, and integrity. These cadets are being modeled into the leaders that Pakistan needs in the years to come. The journey doesn't end here. It's the only just beginning. Cadet College Fateh Jung stands as a beacon of hope, shaping a brighter future for Pakistan. And the journey of hope continues. Pakistan Zindabad. Pakistan Armed Forces Zindabad. Cadet College Fateh Jung, where discipline meets determination, grooming future leaders one step at a time.